Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to cancel your Spline subscription. If you no longer need the paid features, want to switch plans, or just need to stop future billing, the process is usually pretty simple. In this guide, I'll walk you through everything step by step in 2026. First, go to Spline and sign in using the account that currently has the active subscription. Make sure you're using the correct email before making any changes. Next, click on your profile icon and open the Account or Workspace Settings section. This is where subscription and billing options are usually managed. Now find the Billing or Subscription tab. This section contains details about your current plan, renewal date, and payment information. Look for the Cancel Subscription option and click it. Spline may ask why you're leaving or offer alternatives before processing the cancellation request. After that, follow the on-screen instructions and confirm your decision. Make sure you read any notices about billing cycles, feature access, or account limitations after cancellation. Once the process is complete, return to the billing page and check your subscription status. This helps confirm that future charges have been stopped successfully. Before your billing period ends, make sure to back up or export any important projects if needed. Some premium features may no longer be available after the subscription expires. And that's basically it. You now know how to cancel a Spline subscription in 2026. Hopefully this guide helped you manage your account and avoid any confusion during the cancellation process. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.